Lamp replacement for the HRV unit. Always wear cotton gloves when changing the lamp. Unplug the unit. Once the unit is turned off, remove the HRV from the duct. The lamp will be attached to it. Place the unit on an even surface. Hold the old lamp by its ceramic tip and unplug it from the white socket. Press the clamp to detach the old lamp and remove it. Remove the new lamp from the packaging. Insert the lamp into the clamp to secure it into place. While holding the ceramic tip of the new lamp, plug it into the white socket. Replace the HRV back into the duct. Secure it with its 4 screws. Plug in the unit. The HRV will restart.